I don't know why I decided to film today. Kung nagkataon, ito ang very first vlog ko. If I decide to upload this. But that's what I'm gonna drink today. I go for lactose-free milk because I am lactose intolerant. I'm ready. I just realized that I finished my retinoid. I need to go pick that up before we go to the I go to the library. My gosh, it's so hot. I'm gonna show you. Ganyan po kainit dito ngayon. It's like 36 degrees today. So imagine gano'ng kainit dito sa loob ng sasakyan. And I think I'm going to bring you with me. Let's go! Baka full blast na yung AC ng sasakyan. Because it's super hot. I've been using that retinoid for like nag-start ako last year ng baka mid-year, July, like that. Because I've been having bad breakouts due to stress and hormones because I did not have my period for like 4 months last year. Kakatapos ng period ko ngayon and my hormonal breakouts were so bad, lalo na dito sa jaw area ng face ko and my cheek area. So I had to try everything. I took oral clindamycin and then supported it with retinol and moisturizer with niacinamide. Also, I also use toners that would help with my scarring. So far, so good. Kailangan lang talaga ng tiyaga kapag nagre-retinoid ka because it's not an overnight result. It's something that you have to use for a long period of time before you could see the effect. So yeah, I should bring you with me and show you where I'm buying it. We're going to Milos. It's the closest mall, chemist, that sells it. Dito kasi tawag nila sa pharmacy ay chemist. Para siyang Watsons dyan sa Pilipinas. And that's the closest shopping center na malapit sa library na pupuntahan ko. So that's where we're going. We're finally here. Medyo tight yung space na nagparkan ko. So I'm hoping it's at least in between the lines. Yeah. Pwede na. Okay, locked. Hoping it's gonna work. Oh, this time. Hindi na ako nag-fit check kanina. Grabe, ang daming nakasale ngayon. Parang wrong timing na napunta ko dito. Pero okay lang. Wala naman tayo pera. Tikit na. Ay, lipo na. Grabe, nakabukas pa pala yung bag ko. na tayo. Dapat pala nag-park ako dun sa malapit dun. Medyo hindi flattering tong angulo na to, pero niangate mo. I'm going to the Priceline chemist. Namaris lang saan. Hopefully meron. Hopefully it's in stock. Ayan. Found it. This is what I'm using. Inactive retinoid. Ah, mali. Itong emulsion pala. This is what I'm using. Wait, ayaw mag-focus. Yan. This is 1850. Ito yung 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml. This is what I've been using. Let's go pay. Bago pa ako umikot. Success. I got it. Are they talking about this Marlene? Still looking for jobs that would fill up my vacant hours. Back to the car and then to the library. Yes lang. As if pwede ako sa deli sa lalo. Okay, mag-outfit check. Hindi ako mag-outfit check. Okay, mag-outfit check na tayo. I'm using the Zara, I don't know what these are called. Crop top from the Philippines, Shopee, and crop top. I mean, quite nice. Thrifted. Bag, thrifted. Finally was able to get the retinoid. I wasn't able to show you properly a while ago, but magkakapareho kasi yung box nun, at kapag hindi mo binasa, mali talaga yung mabibili mo. Hold on. This one, the ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2% emulsion. This is the retinoid I am using, and this is very, very effective on me. If it's your first time using this, slowly introduce it into your skin. Wag bigla-biglang every night mo gamitin. And especially do a patch test. You try to swatch it here and then go back kapag kaya ba talaga ng skin mo, then go ahead. Maybe try using it once a week, and then kung kinakaya ng skin mo, up it up to 2 times a week to 3 times a week up until kaya mo na siyang every night. That was my mistake. And also, don't use retinoid or retinol during the day kasi hindi ka pwedeng maarawan, lalala yung balat mo. Now, we're going to the library. It's already 1:25 here, and I'm not yet hungry. Something's off with my appetite lately. There you go. Nagpa-park ako dito sa underground because sobrang init sa labas. And nabibilad ng araw tong sasakyan. And it's gonna be super, super hot when I go in. That's why dito ako sa baba nagpa-park. Kanina sabi ko sana pala nag-park ako mas malapit dun sa chemist. But I realized na sobrang init pala sa labas ngayon. Imagine, it's 35 degrees Celsius. Here, iba talagang init dito kasi malapit kami sa dagat. I don't know kung umaabot ba dito yung lagkit ng dagat. But my workplace, we're by the beach. At iba talaga ang init doon. Whereas here, wait, kumulimlim na. I think it's gonna rain. Ano kasi ngayon, rainy season ngayon. Pero ang rainy season dito sa Pilipinas, dito sa Townsville, hindi tulad sa Baguio na kapag umulan lalamig. Dito hindi. Mainit pa rin. Kahapon nga, it rained so strong yesterday morning. Tapos sobrang init ng tirik yung araw nung hapon. Imagine the humidity. Parang you're gonna inhale and you feel like no air is coming into your lungs. Felt so hot. Hapon ba yun? O nung Wednesday? I mix up my days. Sorry. From the shopping center, yung Willows, malapit na dito yung library. Lang. Kalimlim ng araw. Wala ko masyadong makita. Huwag niyo nang pansinin yung roof ng sasakyan. Because of the extreme heat here, nagmelt yung glue. And I was contemplating whether or not I would like to get it fixed. Kasi kailangan pang ma-service ng sasakyan and I do not have the financial capacity. Because my car is a European car. Kailangan pang i-ship ng pyesa. So it's a bit of more on the expensive side. Pag-ipunan ko muna as long as tumatakbo pa naman siya ng maayos-ayos. But I have to keep in mind na naglilik kasi yung shocks nito. So that's the problem. And I'm due for a service. It's just that sabi ko nga masyadong lean season ng hotels ngayon. I'm still trying to look for other jobs. So maganda din pala yung L'Oreal plumping lip gloss. It's not painful, pero yung mental feeling bearable. Litong-lito si Kuya. Iyasi pa pala kasi. Mali din naman yung linyang pinuntahan ko kanina. We're close. Medyo mabigat yung bag na dala ko ngayon because it's my laptop and my iPad. I don't feel like I'm gonna be able to see a closer car park to the entrance. Feeling ko pinakamalapit na talaga dito. Okay. Dito yung pinaglalaro ng mga bata ng football, and then there's the library there. Umira na naman yung kabobohan ko. Did not charge my laptop. Di pala ako nagdala ng adapter. And look at their socket. Buti na lang dala ko yung iPad ko. At may matatapos din ako. I need to compress this video kasi hindi to ma-upload sa portal namin. I'm gonna have a walk here at the park. Kakatapos ko lang gawin yung mga activities. Hoping they were right. I'm gonna show you one of the nicest parks here where I've been. This is the public's community pool. It's free to swim there. I'm talking about is this way. Dan ako dito sa gitna. Tinatamad na akong maglakad pa. Medyo shaky yung video. Hopefully, ma-stabilize ko siya when I'm editing it. Pero oh my gosh, maling-mali na ito yung sinuot ko papunta dito. The soil is still wet from the raining. This is the way to the lagoon. This is the park. This is my favorite place here in Townsville. We'll go back and sit there. My favorite spot here. I haven't actually walked around this park that much kasi tumitigil lang ako dito because you can see turtles from here. Finally got home. Oh my gosh, it was so hot. Grabe yung oil ng mukha ko. I ordered pad thai just to taste. Sabi nila masarap daw doon. Cute. Nag-leak nga lang. It's chicken. Looks so good. Look at that. Nag-mute na talaga ang TikTok. Some of the videos that I made, all muted. Oh my gosh, I actually fell asleep. It's now madaling araw. I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't washed my face. I haven't done my skincare. I can't believe that happened. Let's do my skincare real quick. Oh my gosh, like an ASMR type. I'm gonna use this whitening repair from Lux Organics. It's a toner. To make a lot of noise because my aunts are already asleep. This one is the ordinary niacin.